Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing against a cliffside, no hotel, no campground, just you and the open road. That's exactly what the 2028 futuristic electric camper RV promises. This isn't your typical RV. It's not even close. What we're looking at is a game changer, an ultra-modern, eco-friendly, tech-loaded home on wheels that feels like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. But this is real. And by the end of this video, you'll want to sell everything and live in it full-time. Let's start with the design. Sleek, minimal, almost spaceship-like, with sharp aerodynamic edges and a body that self-adjusts for maximum efficiency. When parked, it expands, literally. Hidden panels slide out, transforming the compact vehicle into a luxurious space that doubles in size. A smart glass roof lets you stargaze from your bed, and the solar panels integrated seamlessly into the body mean you're charging as you drive or rest. No gas, no noise. Just clean, silent electric power taking you wherever you want to go. Inside? Oh, it's not just a camper, it's a smart home on wheels. Think voice-activated everything. Lighting, climate, even the bed configuration changes with a command. The furniture folds, rotates, and disappears depending on your needs. The walls? They're digital. You can change the view, the vibe, or even turn them into movie screens. Want to watch a film under the stars in the middle of the desert? This RV makes it happen, no need for a theater, ever again. But here's the real twist, it's fully autonomous. Imagine kicking back with a coffee, reading a book, or even taking a nap while your camper safely navigates winding mountain roads or cross-country highways. And don't worry, it's equipped with real-time terrain detection, adaptive driving intelligence, and a 360-degree drone surveillance system for full awareness. No stress. Just freedom. And for the off-grid lovers? You're covered. It comes with a rain harvesting system, air-to-water generator, and built-in vertical garden that actually grows herbs and greens as you drive. Who thought you'd be picking fresh mint from your RV while parked at the edge of the Grand Canyon? Now, here's the wild part, it's modular. That's right. You can detach the living pod and leave it at your favorite campsite while the drive unit recharges or explores a nearby town. You get the flexibility of a van and the luxury of a stationary tiny home. This isn't just travel. It's a lifestyle revolution. No rent, no limits, no plugging into dirty grids. Just pure, self-sustained freedom in a machine that's more intelligent than most apartments. So before you scroll away, ask yourself, what if your next home didn't have an address? What if it had wheels, wings of solar, and a brain of its own? This is the future. And it's already parked on the horizon.